Hello kids, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Okay, today in our computer class we will do our next topic, that is storage devices of computer system. Okay, let's start this topic. Storage devices. Storage devices is used to store the data in a computer. Okay, if you want to store some data in a computer, you have to use storage devices, and we can retrieve that data anytime if we need. Okay, computer can store data permanently as well as temporarily. Okay, this is a storage device. Before doing this various storage devices, we have to know in which way the data stored in a computer. Okay, the data stored in the form of bits in a computer. Bits is called binary digit. Okay, because computer can understand two things, on and off. Okay, here 1 represent on and 0 represent off, and these 0 and 1 bits, two digits, are known as binary digits or bits. Okay, and the memory is measured in the form of bytes. Okay, and these are the various memory size, and so the smallest memory size is 1 byte and the largest memory size is 1 yottabyte. Okay, these are the memory size. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 terabyte is equal to 1 petabyte, 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte, and 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, and 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. Okay, these are the various memory size. Smallest is 1 byte and largest is 1 yottabyte. Okay, you have to learn these memory size. Next, types of memory. There are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory is also called internal memory and secondary memory is also called external memory. And further they are divided. Primary memory is divided into RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory and ROM means read-only memory. And secondary memories are floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. These are called secondary memory. Okay. Actually, primary memory is the part of computer itself. Okay, and we have to attach this secondary memory with computer through cable or anything else. Okay. Firstly, internal memory or primary memory. It is also called main memory, where actually the data stored in a computer. जहाँ actual में जाके data store होता है, that is primary memory. Okay. जो भी हम काम करते हैं, that work we are doing on computer is temporarily stored in this memory. Okay, it is a built-in memory designed to store data and instructions while computer is working. मतलब जब कंप्यूटर काम कर रहा होता है तब जो डेटा स्टोर हो रहा होता है साथ साथ वो इस मेमोरी में हो रहा होता है, प्राइमरी मेमोरी में और इंटरनल मेमोरी में. ओके, जैसे ही कंप्यूटर वर्क करना बंद कर देते हैं, हम कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन कर देते हैं, तो डेटा जो इन मेमोरी में से डिलीट हो जाता है. ओके, द डाटा इन दिस मेमोरी इरेज्ड व्हेन द कंप्यूटर इज टर्न ऑफ. इट इज़ द फास्टेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर डाटा स्टोरेज. जितने भी कंप्यूटर के डेटा स्टोरेज हैं उसमें से जो फास्टेस्ट है मेमोरी वो हमारी प्राइमरी मेमोरी. फास्टेस्ट मीन्स जिसमें से बहुत जल्दी डेटा हम उठा सकते हैं और उसको हम जल्दी से स्टोर करवा सकते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर्स. Previously this printer is used, but nowadays laser printer are used, and the dot matrix printer is look like a typewriter. Okay, and it is very noisy and give very poor quality output, and it's only give output in black and white. If we need a color printout, we can't get from the dot matrix printer. And you know the printing is in the form of dots, that's why it called dot matrix printer. Here you look e print like a in the form of dots. Okay. Next output device is speaker. If you want to listen music from the computer, we need a speaker, and that speaker should be connected with the computer using a USB cable, or means with CPU cabinet. Using cable we connect the speakers and we can listen music with the help of these speakers. Before doing this various storage devices, we have to know in which way the data stored in a computer. Okay, the data stored in the form of bits in a computer. Bits is called binary digit. Okay, because computer can understand two things, on and off. Okay, here 1 represent on and 0 represent off, and these 0 and 1 bits, two hard disk. It is a main storage component. If you want to store large amount of data, then you need hard disk. It always fixed inside the CPU box. Okay, it can store 16 terabyte of the data. That is too much. Okay, now today we have external hard disk also. This is a picture of external hard disk. We can also attach that hard disk with our laptop. Okay, we can carry it anywhere. This is hard disk. But the DVD can store 4.7 gigabyte to 17 gigabyte. Okay, and it is used for storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. Okay, next, flash drive, and everyone nowadays using this device, storage device, that is pen drive. Pen drive is also known as a flash drive. It is the most popular backup device. You can store data in it. You can take data from one place to another system with the help of pen drive. It is also very easy to carry. We have to connect by USB, universal serial bus. It is small, lightweight and removable drive. If you don't need this device, you can remove this device from the systems. Okay, it is used up to 4 terabyte of data. ओके, हमारे पास हम जब पेन ड्राइव लेने जाते हैं तो अलग अलग साइज़ की होती है, उनके प्राइजेस भी अलग होते हैं. जैसे जैसे इसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी बढ़ती जाएगी, इसका प्राइस भी बढ़ता जाता है. ओके, बिफोर डूइंग दिस वेरियस स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस, वी हैव टू नो in which way the data stored in a computer. Okay, the data stored in the form of bits in a computer. Bits is called binary digit. Okay, because computer can understand two things, on and off. Okay, here 1 represent on and 0 represent off, and these 0 and 1 bits, two digits, are known as binary digits or bits. Okay, and the memory is measured in the form of bytes. Okay, and these are the various memory size, and so the smallest memory size is 1 byte and the largest memory size is 1 yottabyte. Okay, these are the memory size. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1020. Next summary of this chapter is computer system perform 3 basic function: input, processing and output. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इज मेड ऑफ 4 डिवाइसेस, 4 डिवाइसों से मिलकर बना है. इनपुट डिवाइस, आउटपुट डिवाइस, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस एंड स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. and the device through which we can enter data and instruction into the computer is called input device. यानी input device हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं, अपना कोई data या instructions कंप्यूटर में डालने के लिए. And the device that display the input as well as the result which we can get after the processing is called output device. जो इनपुट हमने कंप्यूटर में डाली है और आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग जो हमें डेटा मिलता है मॉनिटर के ऊपर या प्रिंटर पे, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. एंड द डिवाइसेस यूज्ड टू स्टोर डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस बाय द यूजर्स आर कॉल्ड स्टोरेज डिवाइस. Okay kids, today we have done storage devices and I hope you understand the concept of storage devices of computer system. Okay, today our computer chapter, that is input, output and storage devices, is completed. Okay, in next video I will send you book work. Okay, and you have to complete your work on your computer book. Okay, there is no separate computer notebook. You have to work only on computer book. In next video I will send that book work with answers. Till then, take care. Bye bye.